unexpected. No way I can ignore your secret indiscretion. Just once right through my door. I can't believe I found you. You're what I'm looking for. I love to be around you. What are we waiting for? Oh no, I am addicted to you. I know you are addicted to. I know it won't be easy, but then whatever is. Although I'm far from perfect, you fear me.